Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are fine at your home. Welcome back to the online video lessons of ninth class English. In the previous video we have seen the face sheet about dreams. We have to dream high and the dreams led to thoughts and thoughts led to actions. Now today you are going to see from the unit 2 A reading True Height. A reading True Height. So let us see what this story tells about. This True Height is a story. This story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursues his dream. Pursues his dream means his goal. So let's see the nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life. Nerve-wracking day means a day with full of tension. Before reaching the goal, always we all feel nerve-wracking. So the day is a challenging day in Michael Stone's life as he is going to attempt the ultimate test in his sports career. It's an awe-inspiring achievement which will leave you breathless. So this is a game you are going to see. You are going to know about this game. The name of the game is Pole Vault. Pole Vault. So here, before going to the lesson, let us know what is there in the lesson. It's a lesson about an athlete who reaches his dream with determination despite of so many struggles. So at the starting of the lesson, the situation of the game is given while he is participating in an event. His thoughts were given. His palms were sweating. His palms were palms. His palms. These are palms. His palms were sweating as he wanted to hold a pole. He wanted to hold the pole like this. Like this he wanted to hold. He wanted a grip, but his palms were sweating. So he needed a towel to dry his grip. So immediately he took a glass of ice water. It quenched his thirst. Quenched means satisfied one's thirst by drinking. So a glass of ice water quenched his thirst, but hardly cooled his intensity. What is intensity? The intensity to reach the target, to reach his dream. That was his main aim. The AstroTurf. AstroTurf means a type of artificial grass used especially for sport grounds. It's an artificial grass laid on the sports grounds. So he sat on the AstroTurf. It was very hot as a competition is going to face at the National Junior Olympics. National Junior Olympics. I think you are very familiar about Olympics. At present, we are hearing about Olympics. Now the Olympics are taking place at Japan, at Tokyo. So do you know Olympics? What's the Olympics event? Is it special? Is the Olympics a special event? As our Michael Stone feels tense, as Michael Stone feels it as his dream? Yes. Because in the Olympics, 5 continents, 5 countries are participating all together in the sports event. All together they participate. All the countries, worldwide countries will participate in this Olympics. 5 continents. This is a symbol of Olympics. At present, it is taking place at Tokyo from 23rd July and it will end at 8th August. And our India also, from India also so many players are participating. We got 2 silver medals and 3 bronze. Our Sindhu also gave a awe-achieving performance in these Olympics. Okay, let's come to the lesson. So, our Michael Stone is also participating in this National Junior Olympics. The the target of this pole was set at 17 feet. That was 3 inches higher than his personal best. Michael Stone confronted the most challenging day in his pole vault career. All the audience at the stands means the place where the audience are sitting to watch the event. There were nearly 20,000 audience were sitting there to watch the fantasy game at the pole vault. So let us see whether Michael Stone achieved his dream, whether his thirst quenched or not, his goal reached or not. Let us see in the next class. Thank you.